What's up, Siacoin Holders? How are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the Siacoin. My friends, at this time, a lot of people in the loss, my friends. So, how we can save ourselves from loss in this video, I will show you, my friends. But before starting this video, please click the subscribe button. Also, like this video, my friends. And you know what, my friends? Today, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down. The every coin price is negative. The Cardano, XRP, Dogecoin, which these all coin prices negative today, my friends. So now at this time all cryptocurrencies is in the loss. How we can save yourself from loss? In this video I will show you, my friends. First of all, please, if you don't subscribe my channel, so again I request everyone to please click the subscribe button, also like this video. The currently latest price of the Siacoin is you can see here 0.0009087 USD dollars. That is the currently latest price of the Siacoin. Furthermore, my friends, the last one day in last 1 week pricing is negative, except of these changes. The previous change, now the currently latest change is negative, positive, my friends. Positive 5.90% positive change occurred in the Siacoin in the last 60 minutes. My friends, from the price chart of the Siacoin, that's clear that you are in the loss. The last 1 week, last 7 day pricing is negative, so that means that you are in the loss. Negative 43.7% the price is in the Siacoin, so that means that you are in the loss. How you can save yourself from loss? I will show you, my friends. My friends, I think and my personal recommendation for all of you is also that my friends, holding is the only way to save yourself from loss. If you hold, so maybe there's a possibility to the price will pump and you will get profit from the Siacoin in the future. That is my recommendation, that's my opinion about Siacoin. Anyways, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Siacoin? Please also share in the comment box. And my friends, make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video. Stay connected with the ABS Tech channel.